Here's a snapshot of my portfolio as of the end of May 2024. The data is updated on June 1st. I have 29 holdings, 28 of which are stocks and 1 is Bitcoin. The rest is in cash. My 5 best performing holdings so far are Bitcoin at 230%, Qualcomm at 73%, TSMC at 55%, JP Morgan at 49%, and Meta at 44%, while my 5 best buying opportunities are the YieldMax Meta down 13%, Petrobras down 11%, Crown Castle down 10%, Prologis down 3%, and PepsiCo down 2%. Of my 29 holdings, 23 of them are valued at a higher price than when I bought them, and 6 of them at a more affordable level. Many of these stocks I've held well over a year at this point. My cash right now is at $204,000, but it fluctuates every few weeks due to a number of open option positions. Every month I use this opportunity because of my large cash position to add to my current positions or enter a new long-term investment. I'll talk about that in the next update. I'm not someone who gets bogged down by news, so I rarely read what's happening on a macro level. I do, however, pay attention to individual stocks, and if I find a cheap one out there, I'll invest into it, or if a current holding is cheaper, I'll add to that. Overall, I'm up 15.79% with 68% invested in the S&P 500, 1.45% in consumer stocks, 0.86% in energy, 1.17% in high dividend yield ETFs, 2.17% in financials, 0.88% in real estate stocks, 1.16% in tech, 1.3% in Bitcoin, and 22.78% in cash. As it were, we have a paper gain of $122,000, with most of that coming from the S&P 500 up 21%, along with my biggest bargains in real estate down 7.74%. When it comes to my high dividend yielding ETFs, I'm less concerned about the stock going down. Sure, it's better if it goes up, but relatively little is invested. I want to maximize the cash produced through its dividends. That cash can then be used to add to my portfolio in any way I'd like. And lastly, I want to note that I have not included my option positions. They're what I call the backbone of this very simple long-term strategy of mine. That part I'll keep secret to outsiders. That's about it for this video. I make monthly updates, so if you want to stay in the know, subscribe to Kyle Invests and share this video with other long-term investors. Thanks.